Well, I think we're finally going to start seeing a change towards a stormier pattern, guys. This is really, really good news. The leading edge of the next system is already starting to generate some high-thin clouds over portions of Idaho. You can see those clouds. This is from Sun Valley Bowls view, and what we're seeing out there is not any snakes, but just some of these high-thin cirrus clouds. But this area, all mountains here across southern and central Idaho are going to start benefiting from this pattern that we see moving in over the next few days. So here we go. Rain and snow showers are expected for the Treasure Valley, periods on again, off again, especially later in the day. Could start out as a rain-snow mix. There may be a little dusting on some of the lawns, but for the most part, it looks like the temperatures are going to be rising as the storm continues to push on through. Then expect a wet pattern with periods of rain and snow that will continue on again, off again. I'll show you the 7-day forecast. It almost looks like it's going to be continuous, but it really isn't. And then temperatures are going to be staying on the normal side. So that's good news. We're finally going to start getting out of these really chilly temperatures that we have seen over the last week as these storms start stirring the atmosphere. So right now in the Treasure Valley, we're dry. This is the leading edge of the system that is going to be moving in from the southwest. We're starting to see a little shower activity up around Baker, and it looks like most of that shower activity may start around some of the west central mountains as early as tonight, but I think it's really going to be more of a southwest Idaho storm tomorrow. And because of this, the National Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory to expect snow tonight through tomorrow. 2 to 3 inches of snow possible. We're talking about the mountains to the north, to the northwest, and out here to the east of the Treasure Valley. No advisories have been issued for the Treasure Valley itself. Temperatures today, we topped out at 39, 2 degrees above the average of 37 degrees. And the low last night was exactly where we should have been at 24 degrees. So here's the satellite imagery, and this is a nice looking storm. There's the low that's driving and pushing this system along. Now, what's kept us dry for so long has been a very persistent area of high pressure. That high pressure is now showing signs of breaking down as this trough of low pressure starts to move in. Remember, if you want to see a storm, you want to see the jet stream dipping down. You want to see this trough of low pressure coming in. This is what creates the window of opportunity for these systems to come in. So computer models showing that starting tomorrow during the morning, we can see a little rain-snow mix for the Treasure Valley. It's going to be periods on again, off again with steadier activity expected for the mountains. This is tomorrow evening. That's when I think the core of the system is going to be moving on through. And then we catch a little bit of a break on Thursday, but still cloudy skies, and there's the leading edge of the next storm, and that one's going to start moving in, it looks like, sometime during the early morning hours on Friday. So 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley. That's a lot of clouds in the 7-day forecast, and if you missed this, please go to our website, kboi2.com, and you can catch my 7-day forecast there 24 hours a day. But there you can see it right there. The showers come in tomorrow. Then cloudy skies Thursday with another storm coming in early Friday, another storm late Saturday, another storm on Monday, another storm on Tuesday. Sounds kind of reminiscent of what we had in late November and December. It's looking good, and we'll be seeing snow, periods of it. Some could be heavy at times for the mountains. So exactly the scenario that we need to see. Keeps inversion away.
Yes.
And it adds to the snowpack.
And we need the snowpack.
Absolutely.
Okay. Roland, thank you.